Ever pressed your 4Runner's brake pedal and felt nothing? Let's break down why that happens. If your 4Runner's brakes aren't working, it usually comes down to three main reasons. First, fluid. Low or leaking brake fluid means your brakes can't build pressure. Check the fluid reservoir under the hood. If it's low, look for leaks around wheels or under the car. Second, pads and rotors. Worn-out brake pads or damaged rotors make it hard to stop. You might hear grinding or feel vibrations in the pedal. That's a big red flag. Third, the master cylinder. This part pushes brake fluid through the system. If it fails, the pedal might go all the way to the floor with almost no stopping power. Other causes can be a stuck caliper or a problem with the ABS system. But most issues come down to those three fluid, pads, and master cylinder. Never ignore brake problems. If your brakes feel weak or don't work, get your 4Runner checked by a pro right away. Your brakes are your car's most important safety system. Stay safe and keep your 4Runner stopping strong.